हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वाम वेलकम ऑन महाराष्ट्र मीडिया चॅनल. मी स्वातिवाणी तुमचं स्वागत करत आहे. आज आपण बघणार आहोत महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्डचे इयत्ता 7वीचे जॉग्राफीचे क्वेश्चन आणि आन्सर्स. त्याआधी तुम्ही जर चॅनलला लाईक व सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर करा. यावर तुम्हाला सर्व क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स मिळतील. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 7 जॉग्राफी चॅप्टर 7 सॉइल्स टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन and answers. Question number 1. Complete the following. Factor, process, role in the formation of soil. Parent rock, role in the formation of soil. What is the role? The rock gets weathered depending on the hardness of the rock and the climate of the region. It turns into powdery material which further turns into soil. Next, second is the regional climate. When the rocks is exposed to a different climate, the same type of rock gives rise to different types of soil. Next, third is organic material. The organic material gets mixed into weathered powdery material and turn it into soil. Next is a microorganism. Microorganism help in decomposing the dead organic material and get mixed into the soil to form humus. Next question. Why do the following occur? Question 1. To the west of the Sahyadris, laterite soils are found from the basalt rock. Answer. Laterite soils are formed in the region of heavy rainfall. The climate of western Sahyadri is hot and humid. This leads to leaching of basalt rocks, due to which there is a formation of laterite soils. Okay, next is question number 2. Question 2 is humus content in the soil increases. Answer. Microorganism and certain other organism help in decomposing the dead remains of organic material. The biotic material thus produced is called as humus. If organic manures, compost are used regularly, the humus content in the soil increases. Question number 3. Soil formation process is faster in the equatorial climate. Answer. In the region of high rainfall and higher temperature, the process of soil formation is faster. Equatorial climate region have high temperature and receive high rainfall. The soil formation process is faster in the equatorial region. Next, question number 4. The salinity of the soil increases. Answer. Due to excessive irrigation, the salts from the soil are drawn upwards. This increases the salinity of the soil. Next is question number 5. Rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. Answer. Hot and humid climate, heavy rainfall and fertile alluvial soil are favorable for rice cultivation. This soil has a good water holding capacity. Since these conditions are found in the Konkan region, rice is grown on a large scale here. So, rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. Next, question number 3. Give information on in which question number 1 measure of the soil conservation. Answer. The following are the measures of soil conservation. In first, afforestation or planting trees. Planting trees can control the velocity of the wind. This helps reducing erosion by wind. The plant roots hold the soil and also reduces the erosion of soil. Next, this picture is a forestation picture. This shows afforestation. Next, second is a continuous contoured trenches. Construction of continuous contour trenches at different height checks the velocity of water running along the slopes and hence reduces the soil erosion. The water arrested in these trenches percolates into the ground. And here this next picture is a CCT, that is continuous contour trenches. Implementation of watershed development program. The government of Maharashtra has implemented the watershed development program, under which constructing embankment along slopes in the rural areas, introducing CCTs along steep slopes, etc. are undertaken. This led to the success of the scheme. Arrest water, let it percolate. This has resulted in rising the groundwater level and reducing the erosion of the soil. This picture shows contour bonding. Next is implementation of Jalyukta Shivar. Under the scheme of the Jalyukta Shivar, works like construction of farm bunds, arresting waters of small streams, connecting the streams are being carried out on large scale. This picture is a weir. It shows weir. Next, question number 2, organic manures. Answer: organic manure in farming helps to maintain pH balance. It also increases the proportion of humus and retains the fertility of soil. Question number 3. Place where you will get the information about the suitability of soil for a particular crop. Answer: the information about the suitability of soil can be obtained from the Department of Agriculture of Government of Maharashtra, Natural Resource Conservation Services, soil testing laboratories in various states and at many agriculture universities. Second, the type of soil, soil fertility, pH status of the soil, etc. are determined in soil testing. Third is based on the testing, an analysis of the soil is done and information about the suitability of a soil for a particular crop is provided. Question number 4. Importance of soil for plant growth. Answer: soil is important for plant growth as it holds roots that provide support for plants and stores nutrients for the growth of plants. Fertile soils favor plant growth. Next, complete the following table with reference to soil. Action, effect and result. What is action? Construction of embankments. Effect: protects soil from being washed away, and result is protects fertility of soil. Action: planting trees. Effect: wind speed decreased. Result: protects fertility of soil. Action: farm landscape follow for some period. Effect: helps to maintain the pH balance and increases the fertility of the soil. Okay. Then next is Regular use of organic manures, vermicompost and compost. Humus content increases and increases the fertility of the soil. Action. Trenches are dug across a slope. Effect. Check the velocity of water running along the slope, and result is protect the fertility of soil. Litter is burnt in the farm. What is effect? Decreases the amount of organic material in soil, and result decrease the fertility of soil. Here. Action. Decomposed vegetal litters, roots of plants and remains of animal. Effect. Proves favorable for microorganism, and result increases the fertility of the soil. Next. Action. Excessive irrigation. Effect. Salt content in the soil increases, result decreases the fertility of soil. Effect. Action. Chemical fertilizers used excessively. Effect. Leads to the lowering of humus soil content in the soil, and result decreases the fertility of the soil. Then activity. Visit the soil testing center, laboratory, and note the work that is carried out in the center. Second, prepare compost at home or in your housing society. Visit a place where arrest water, let it percolate, is being implemented. Collect the information about it and make a note of it. Next, think about it. Question number 1. Rohit and Pratiksha note that their field has yielded a bumper crop, but they also noted that a part of their field has a stunted growth of plants. What investigation will you suggest to them? Answer. I would suggest that they should check whether organic manures are used evenly on all parts of the field. Also, they should check whether that part of the field is getting adequate supply of water or not. Then question number 2. Why do equatorial regions have fertile soils? Answer. The sun rays are perpendicular in equatorial region, so the climate is very hot and humid. The region also receives very heavy rainfall. As the process of soil formation is faster in these regions, equatorial regions of fertile soil, also vegetal litter, roots of plants, remains of animals, etc. get decomposed, adding to soil fertility. Question number 3. Why is the vegetation sparse in the desert? Answer. A desert is a barren area of land where little precipitation occurs, and consequently living conditions for plant and animal life are very hostile. It is an area where the soils are not fertile, and hence vegetation is scanty. Try this. Take 3 flower pots of the same size. Keep one pot empty. Fill the second pot with water after closing the hole at the bottom, and fill the third pot with soil. Put a few seeds in all of them. Then keep all the 3 pots in sun and water the empty pot and the soil filled pot for 4-5 days. Observe and answer the following. Next, question number 1. What happened to the seeds put in the empty pot and pot filled with water? Answer. Seeds in the empty pot and the pot filled with water did not germinate and did not show any sign of growth. Next, question number 2. What happened to the seeds put in the pot C filled with soil? Seeds germinate and we could see some small twigs branching out. Question number 3. What do you learn from this? we learned that plants need sunlight, water and soil to grow. Okay, in this way we have to complete all the exercise. Thank you.